This is the Palma Living and Dining range. This beautiful range consists of a dining table, a coffee table, a sofa table, a TV unit, a sideboard, and a cabinet. We have two shape variations of the dining and the coffee tables, with rectangular and round tabletops available for both. As you can see here, we have the rectangular dining table. This dining table is 200 centimeters in length, while the round dining table is 110 centimeters in length. This range gives you a lot of variety depending on the size and the space that you have available in your home. This beautiful off-white colour, coupled with this corrugated detail, is consistent across the range, giving it a very modern and sleek effect. Each piece in the Palma range carries this beautiful melamine top finish. It's hard wearing and very easy to maintain while also remaining very stylish. This range also features a soft close mechanism for the doors and the drawers. This is the perfect safety feature for any home while also giving you ample storage opportunities. To view the full Palma Living and Dining range, visit one of our Easy Living Furniture stores or visit us online at easylivingfurniture.ie.